I'm announcing my new mastermind group available to cleaning company owners and managers. Imagine transforming your cleaning company into the go-to service company in your area, servicing loyal clients and maximizing your profit. This is what a mastermind group can do for you. Picture yourself surrounded by other cleaning company owners and managers with the like-minded goal of growing and maximizing your cleaning business. That's exactly what we're going to be doing in this mastermind. And here's how our exclusive mastermind can transform your cleaning business. First, we're going to concentrate on helping you dominate your market fast. This is one of the biggest topics. Speed is what this is all about. Within the next 90 days, giving you a plan and getting you to stick to that plan through accountability and motivation. If you're not doing what you're supposed to be doing for the homework assignments, for the goals that you've set, you're going to know about it. We're going to hold you accountable, and we're going to motivate you to achieve those goals inside of that mastermind. We're going to help you boost profits. Profits, one of the biggest things that we concentrate on, because sales without profitability equals nothing to a business. So we're going to show you how to boost profits, give you ideas in the group to boost profits, and even make sure that you are boosting your profits. We're going to show you how to streamline your operations, and not just your marketing, because that'll be a big part of it, but also your management. I manage 12 employees. Other members that are often part of these mastermind groups have several employees. Some of them are even totally hands-off in their cleaning business. A lot of them are mom and pop owner operators and actually on the truck. But we're going to work on streamlining the operations in your cleaning company. Also, just enhancing your brand. Some of you might not realize it, but your brand itself is the problem. We're going to work on that. You'll get feedback from some of your peers, and you're going to know. And that feedback is super important. Sometimes this alone is the most integral part of a mastermind group, because we'll tell you if things are going wrong, if your brand is looking bad, if your system for your marketing is bad. We'll let you know, and we'll help you fix it as a group goal. That's what masterminds are all about. Now, let's talk a little bit about this opportunity that I'm giving you here, because it's a bit unique and it is for sure very, very limited. You are going to be able to join a group of ambitious cleaning business owners inside of the mastermind. It's going to be a small group, usually between 4 and 12 members, and it's going to be free to add coaching club members. We're going to talk more about that in just a second. I've never done that before, but I'm going to talk about that in just a second. And if you're not a member, I'm going to show you what you can do to become a member to get that going on. We're going to meet once or twice per month, depending on the group. And then we do want you to know that we're going to require a 3-month commitment. I'm going to give you a 3-month commitment. I want you to give me a 3-month commitment. Just 1 month of a mastermind is not going to mean much to you, right? You need to commit to this for 3 months. So this is for sure an opportunity to transform your cleaning business that you shouldn't miss, and I'll tell you why. Sign up now. I'm going to give you a link in just a second so that you can get your spot secured. So understand that here are the details. If you're a current coaching club member, you're going to get an email soon, perhaps by the end of this week or the beginning of next week, that's going to give you a form to fill out. That way we know the best place to put you in the mastermind. You won't necessarily be with people just like you, but we'll be able to put you in a group that's the best for you. So look for that email coming soon. Now, if you're not a current ad club member, the next 25 members and only the next 25 members will be allowed inside of this program. So you do have to be a current ad club member to be part of the program, and you'll be able to get in if you're one of the next 25 members that sign up from when this video comes out. So the question is, how do I know if I'm one of the next 25 members? When you go to the link below to sign up and look at the details for the Ad Coaching Club, at the top it's going to say plus free access to my new mastermind group. If it still says that, you're golden, you're in, right? I don't know how long that's still going to be up, but once those 25 spots are filled, that will be gone, and then you'll know. But if that still says that, when you sign up, then you'll be able to get in as part of the mastermind group. It's not going to last long, so I would sign up quickly. Now, I do want to give you guys a disclosure. I mentioned that I don't normally do this as part of my ad club. In fact, this is the first time I've ever done this as a free part of the ad club. I've done many other masterminds at an additional fee to the coaching club. I've also done masterminds, one-on-one masterminds and group coaching quite a bit for years and years, but I've never done this. So I'm going to ask for a 3-month commitment from you. And in return, I'm going to give you a 3-month commitment that I will be doing this for 3 months at least. After the 3 months, we're going to evaluate, see how it went, and then possibly reorganize the program. You'll be hearing about that at the end of the 3 months. But just letting you know that this is a very limited opportunity, and I'll likely never do it exactly like this again, and probably not as a free part of the ad club. So right now is indeed your chance to get in at no additional cost, especially if you've even remotely been thinking about joining a mastermind. Frankly, there's no other mastermind groups in our industry that I know of, or many other industries that I know of, that even are in at the low cost of what the coaching club is. Alone, without all of the other stuff involved in the coaching club, let alone that plus a mastermind group, is just unheard of. So now is your chance to get in, invest in yourself, and unlock the potential of your cleaning business. That's really what this is all about. Helping you do that, helping you see what you can't always see, or helping you see what you're not willing to see, is what all of this is about. So I look forward to welcoming you into the group, and so does everybody else that's going to be part of the group with you. Your success, honestly, is just a conversation away. Also, there's lots of other free bonuses that I've still got as part of the coaching club. You can see those below at the link for the sign up at the coaching club website. Check those out. Lots of different things, lots of support, lots of help to be able to help you grow your cleaning company. Check it out now. The mastermind is not going to be open long. It's only open for the next 25. So I would sign up right now if you'd like to get that free access to the mastermind group. And if you have any questions at all, feel free to send me a message, send me an email. Let me know. I'll be glad to answer whatever questions you've got. Thanks.